Listen carefully because what you are about to experience will shift how they see you instantly. This is not just a meditation. This is an energetic activation. And by the end of these 5 minutes, they won't be able to stop thinking about you. Their mind will drift back to you again and again uncontrollably. So if you are ready to be chased, desired, and deeply obsessed over, take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. And before we begin, type in the comments, they are dangerously obsessed with me. This seals in your intention. Now close your eyes, breathe in slowly, hold, and release. Again, inhale deeply, feel your chest expand, and exhale, letting go of doubt. As you breathe, let your body sink. Let your shoulders soften. Feel your jaw unclench. You are safe here. You are powerful here. And with every breath, you are becoming more magnetic. Now repeat these affirmations out loud or in your mind. They think about me constantly. I live in their mind effortlessly. I am unforgettable. I am intoxicating. They crave my presence. They replay our moments over and over. I don't chase, I attract. They chase me naturally. I am their deepest desire. They feel drawn to me even when they try to resist. I am the one they can't move on from. I am the one they always come back to. They are becoming obsessed with me more and more every second. I am magnetic. I am powerful. I am chosen. Now I want you to imagine your specific person. See their face clearly. Notice how they look at you. There's longing in their eyes, curiosity, desire. They can't figure out why they feel this way, but they need you. Now they're checking their phone and hoping it's you. They are thinking about texting you again and again because they miss you. They want you. They are drawn to you. Feel this deep in your body. That confidence, that knowing that they want you. You don't need to chase because you are the energy that they chase. Let that truth settle into your body. You already have them. Now take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. And when you are ready, open your eyes. For the rest of your day, you will carry this energy with you. It isn't temporary. This is who you are now. And to affirm it, type in the comments, it is already done. This locks in your manifestation. And if you are ready to manifest them even faster, visit joybyjanell.com for deeper activations and powerful manifestation tools designed to make them come to you effortlessly. And remember, you are not chasing, they are chasing you.